And now we're back of the video. Alright. This is World War III, Thomas. You know? Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's just like before last time. This is part 1, okay? Yeah. I see the pig base and I see the green glowy, whatever that is. That is a green thing. It's called a green electric uh, uh, power cell. That will electrocute you real bad, and it's gonna hurt. It is? Yeah. Here, let me just aim. Ow! Ow! You okay? Ugh! That green thing electrocutes me when I shoot. That hurt, but it's been destroyed. You okay now? Ugh. Sort of, I don't know, but it hurts. Ugh. Anyway, let's continue firing. Bruh. Really? Missed. You shot a Soundwave camera. Yeah, because he was just, looks like he was a droid. Well, he's a part of the pig droid, so probably. Are you really sure you'll be alright? Yeah, that green electric just that green electric just really electrocuted me real bad. I'm sorry? Do you need a medic? Like Ratchet? No, I'm fine. It's just the pain of the green electric. But anyway. Oh, great. Shatter is alive. Wait, Shatter? How she is alive? I don't know. You better get her. Finish. You know what? She is undestructible, Thomas. Yeah, let me just do one shot. Okay. That didn't work, so take this! Ching! 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 I think you defeated her. Because she's defeated. Yes, she's defeated already. I don't know why, but I guess we passed World War III. Yeah, but this is part 1, so part 2 will come out. Probably. It will. Yeah. But, oh, man, that green electric power cell just really electrocute me real badly. Here, let me just call Ratchet. Ratchet! Ugh. Yeah? Ugh. Can you help my brother, Scar Thomas to get that green electric thing on the side? Yeah, let me see. Okay, it's done. Wait, is it so I don't have a dent? You have a little bit of dent, but I healed it. Thank you, Ratchet. Anytime. So this is going to be on wave 2, right? Probably. We don't know yet, so yeah. Man, this Starsaber is the master of Primus Prime. Yeah. Because that is the greatest weapon you always have. Yep, it is. Be continue. Subscribe my channel.